Hello friends, my name is Clayton D'Souza and today we'll be doing the sixth experiment in object-oriented programming lab in C++. As you can see over here, this is the question allotted to me, wherein I'll have to be overloading the particular operator for a given matrix operation, and in that the matrix will be performing certain operations like adding, subtracting, and as you can see, I'll be taking in the number of rows and the columns for both the matrices, and after addition and subtraction I'm going to be printing the output. However, if the number of rows and number of columns are unequal, then sadly the matrices cannot be added nor subtracted. So let's go and take a look at the way the overloading of operation has been done. So as you can see over, this is the way to do this over here is the syntax for the entire thing of operator overloading, as is our topic. And as you can see over here, this is the class name, this is the keyword operator, this is the operator that you want to overload, and this is the particular function. As you can see, so yes, that's pretty much it. That let's take the So I'll be entering the number of rows. I'll enter 2, enter the number of columns 2, enter the rows per second, sorry, 2, enter the number of columns 2, then enter the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, enter the elements 2, 3, 4. As you can see, after addition I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, and after subtraction I've got 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's do the next program. This is next question, wherein after perform I'll have to be performing the overloading of a given operator for performing the uh, functions of that operator on the various integers. So suppose if I'll be overloading the operators such as plus, minus, into, and divide. And as you can see, as I explained in the previous for the previous code, the same syntax applies here, and this is my entire code. I'll be making functions for getting the data, putting the data, display, getters and putters are made. So let's take a look at a sample function. Okay, so we create a particular temporary integer, then we perform the addition and store it in the temporary integer, and then we return this temporary integer. Now in turn this will return the value to the function if and when it's used. So yes, in the main function I'll be calling it. I'll be performing the various operations and displaying the data. Enter the value. This is the second value. So as you can see, after adding I got 5, after minusing I got -1, that is 2 minus 3 -1, multiplying I got 6, and by division, since it's an integer, since both are integers and even the division operation happens for integer, I'm getting 2 divided by 3 is 0. So yes guys, that's it. Thank you.